Ever wondered where we live? That's right, on planet Earth. But Earth is just one planet in a huge universe. Today, let's go on an adventure to learn all about our home. Earth is just one of 8 planets that orbit around the Sun, which is our closest star. The Sun gives us heat and light, essential for life. The Moon, for example, is a smaller rocky ball that orbits the Earth. Have you ever noticed the small bright lights we see in the sky at night? Those are stars, just like the Sun. Most of the Earth is covered by water, with pieces of dry land scattered between vast surfaces of oceans and seas. If you look at an image of Earth, you'll see that the blue parts represent water, and there is much more water than land. The Earth is also surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. This atmosphere acts like a blanket, keeping the planet warm and protecting us from the Sun's harmful rays. Now, think about the path Earth follows around the Sun. It has a circular or oval shape. The Moon also follows a path, but it moves around the Earth. Finally, out of the 3 bodies we mentioned, Earth, the Moon, and the Sun, only the Sun provides the light and warmth that heats our planet and allows life to exist here. In the past, people believed that the Earth was flat and that they could fall off its edge if they traveled too far. This idea came from the way the horizon looked, as if the Earth ended where the sky met. However, today we know the Earth is round, thanks to photos taken from space. This round shape is called a sphere. The Earth is made of rock, and we live on its surface, where the rock is solid and hard. But deep inside the Earth, at its core, the rock is so hot that it actually melts. So, while we see solid ground, the center of the Earth is full of molten rock. The Earth's surface isn't just solid rock, it's covered by large areas of water, including oceans and seas. Oceans are the largest saltwater surfaces, while seas are smaller. Scattered among these water bodies are continents and islands, with continents being the largest land masses and islands being smaller pieces of land surrounded by water. The Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air called the atmosphere, which extends about 600 kilometers above the surface. This atmosphere is crucial because it contains the essential gases needed for life, protects us, and supports life by holding the air we breathe. Even though we can't see it, the atmosphere acts like a blanket, keeping the planet warm enough for living things to survive. The surface of the Earth is made up of land, water, and air, creating the environment we live in. While the land we walk on might seem soft in fields and gardens, it is actually made of rock beneath the surface. The soil we see is a mix of sand, which comes from the crumbling of rock, along with dead leaves and plants. In addition to land, the Earth has vast stretches of water, known as water surfaces. These include oceans, seas, lakes, and rivers, which cover a significant portion of the Earth. Most of Earth's surface is covered by water, about 71%, making our planet look blue from space. This is why Earth is often called the blue planet. The water that covers most of Earth is salty seawater, found in large bodies called oceans. Oceans have different names depending on their location, and smaller parts of oceans are called seas. The remaining 29% of Earth's surface is land, which consists of continents and islands. Continents are massive land masses, and there are 7 in total. Earth is home to a wide variety of life forms, including plants, animals, and people, each with their own special places to live, called habitats. A habitat provides everything a living thing needs to survive. However, if human activities harm these habitats, the plants and animals that depend on them cannot survive. For instance, if factories pollute rivers, the fish living in those waters will die, and people who rely on the fish for food will struggle to find enough to eat. In summary, Earth is a unique round, rocky planet with land, water, and air that support life. Its surface is uneven, with hollows filled by oceans and seas. The land is divided into large continents and smaller islands, and the planet provides a variety of habitats to meet the needs of all living things. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and take our quiz.